The world of motoring thrives on rumor, speculation, and the occasional wild claim that seems too good to be true. But today, July 24, 2025, Mercedes-Benz shattered the noise and silenced the doubters with a single, bold announcement. The CEO just confirmed the existence of the YASA Flux engine, a motor so advanced, most thought it was pure fantasy, a myth whispered about in engineering circles. For years, it was an industry ghost story, an electric motor impossibly small, powerful, and efficient, the kind of breakthrough that seemed to defy the laws of physics. It promised to solve EV's biggest problems, weight, range, and performance, in one stroke, something no automaker had managed before. We dismissed it as wishful thinking, a pipe dream, but Mercedes was quietly perfecting a revolution behind closed doors, away from the spotlight. This isn't an evolution, it's a rewrite of the rulebook, a complete reimagining of what an electric motor can be. The announcement sent shockwaves through the industry. Everyone is now playing catch-up, scrambling to understand how Mercedes pulled this off. Forget incremental gains. This is a quantum leap, a technological jump that changes the game overnight. Imagine cars lighter, faster, and able to go further on a single charge. No more range anxiety, no more compromises. The YASA Flux engine could deliver instant, brutal acceleration and unprecedented efficiency, making every drive exhilarating and sustainable. Mercedes hasn't just built a better motor, they may have perfected the heart of the electric car, setting a new standard for the entire industry, the future we imagined for the next decade. It's here now, arriving sooner than anyone dared to hope. This is the moment the automotive world pivots, the instant when everything changes and a new era begins. The established order is shattered, the old rules broken, and a new benchmark set for all to follow. Mercedes has thrown down the gauntlet, challenging every rival to match their vision and innovation. The electric car's next era starts today, and Mercedes is leading the charge into a future that just became reality. So, what exactly is the YASA Flux engine, and why is it making waves in the world of electric vehicles? Strip away the hype. At its core, it's a revolutionary new kind of electric motor designed to push the boundaries of what's possible in EV technology. Most electric vehicles today use what's called a radial flux motor. These motors are tried and tested, but they're bulky, heavy, and their basic design hasn't changed much in decades. The YASA engine, on the other hand, is an axial flux motor. Imagine a pancake instead of a soup can. This unique shape is a game changer. Its flat, wide design is the secret sauce. It's not just compact and light, it's also incredibly powerful for its size, packing more punch into a smaller package. Here's how it works. The magnetic force flows parallel to the axis of rotation, creating a direct, highly efficient path for torque to be delivered to the wheels. The result? You get more power and performance from less material, which means less weight and lower manufacturing costs. Think of it like pushing a merry-go-round from the edge instead of the center. It's much more effective and requires less effort to get things moving. YASA, a British company acquired by Mercedes in 2021, has spent years perfecting this design, making it robust and reliable for real-world automotive use. The implications are huge. Smaller, lighter motors free up valuable space inside the car, space that can be used for bigger batteries, more cargo, or extra passenger comfort. Designers now have the freedom to place motors directly at the wheels, unlocking new levels of handling, acceleration, and all-wheel drive performance. Efficiency soars. Drivers get more miles per charge with less wasted energy and heat, making electric vehicles even more practical for everyday use. It's lighter, smaller, and more powerful than anything that's come before, setting a new benchmark for electric motor technology. For EV engineers, this is nothing short of the holy grail, a breakthrough that could redefine the industry. The YASA Flux engine isn't just a step forward, it's a giant leap, opening up possibilities that were once thought impossible. With this technology, Mercedes now holds the blueprint for the next generation of electric cars. The game has truly changed, and the future of driving will never be the same. The YASA Flux engine story began in secrecy, not on stage. For years, cryptic hints and rumors trickled from Stuttgart and UK workshops. Mercedes' 2021 YASA acquisition looked like a niche move, but it was a masterstroke. Test mules ran in silence, and strange disc-shaped parts appeared in supply chains. Engineers whispered about a project codenamed Pancake, rewriting physics. Mercedes kept a perfect poker face, talking up their EQ range while hiding a technological nuke. Working in the shadows, they solved immense challenges: cooling, scaling, integration. Their silence was their greatest weapon, turning myth into reality. At the annual strategy update, the mood was routine, until it wasn't. The CEO, Ola Källenius, delivered the usual numbers, then shifted gears. A journalist asked, "Is the YASA Flux engine real?" The room froze. Källenius paused, smiled, and nodded. "It's real. It will power our next generation." The auditorium erupted, phones out, stories filed. With a single nod, Mercedes tore down the wall of secrecy. In that instant, they went from legacy automaker to industry leader. The confirmation wasn't buried in a press release, it was pure theater. Kalenius drew a line in the sand. The game had changed. The myth was now fact. Mercedes was no longer adapting, they were leading. The industry's balance of power shifted in a heartbeat. The whispers ended. The revolution began. Let's get technical. Axial flux motors are a physics masterclass, representing a leap forward in electric motor design that's changing the game for electric vehicles. Traditional motors waste copper and trap heat, making them less efficient. YASA's innovative flat design uses nearly all its copper for torque, maximizing every bit of material for performance. By bringing magnets and windings closer together, the motor boosts both efficiency and power, reducing energy losses and delivering more output for the same input. The unique pancake shape means more surface area, which makes cooling far easier and more effective, allowing the motor to stay at optimal temperatures even under heavy loads. Mercedes' direct oil cooling system lets the motor run harder and longer without overheating, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in electric propulsion. The result? A motor that's just 1/3 the weight and size of a conventional one, or if you prefer, 3 times the power in the same space, redefining what's possible for electric vehicles. For AMG models, that means 2, 3, or even 4 motors, 1 per wheel, delivering mind-bending acceleration, precise control, and a driving experience unlike anything before. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in electric propulsion, setting a new standard for the entire industry. Power density, low weight, and superior cooling. YASA's design changes everything, making electric cars more capable, efficient, and exciting. The real-world impact? Lighter, faster, and more efficient cars that deliver thrilling performance and longer range. Mercedes has unlocked a new level of performance, pushing electric vehicles into a new era of speed and agility. The future of EVs is now defined by axial flux technology, setting the benchmark for what's next in automotive innovation. The YASA Flux engine is the breakthrough that's powering the next generation of electric vehicles, and it's only the beginning. With one announcement, Mercedes shattered the old narrative. Once seen as a follower, Mercedes now leads the electric revolution. While others tweaked batteries, Mercedes solved the core hardware challenge. They didn't copy, they engineered a new solution from scratch. The YASA Flux engine reestablishes Mercedes as an innovation powerhouse. Competitors face a tough choice: stick with outdated tech or scramble to catch up. Mercedes now has a multi-year head start. The impact will reach every model, from AMG to A-Class. Lighter, roomier, longer-range cars are now possible across the lineup. This isn't just about hypercars, it's about dominating the mainstream. The YASA Flux engine is Mercedes' key to the future. The rest of the industry must now play by their rules. This isn't just a Mercedes story, it's a turning point for all car lovers. The YASA Flux engine promises electric cars with no compromises, lighter, faster, more efficient, and more fun. Sports cars with instant torque, SUVs with more space and range, city cars that are practical and exciting. This motor unlocks design and performance possibilities once thought impossible. Mercedes' breakthrough will ignite a global race. Competition will drive even more innovation. The result? Better, cheaper, and more exciting EVs for everyone. The future of driving just snapped into focus. True innovation often happens quietly, until it changes everything. The YASA Flux engine is more than hardware, it's a symbol of a new era. The age of the electric car isn't coming, it's here. Thanks to a pancake-shaped motor, the road ahead just got a lot more thrilling. The revolution is real, and it's only just begun.